Hello guys, it's Otaki once again. In this video I will show you how to integrate the Google authentication on your project, web application, mobile application, desktop application, and you want to add another way to sign up or sign in to your project without using the manual things of inputs. Just you with Google account, he can authenticate to your project. All what you need to do, go to the browser. Before that, subscribe to the channel please guys in order to keep up this content. So you're gonna be opening the Chrome or any desktop. Just press Google Console, Google Cloud Console. So we're gonna be opening the first link. Here guys is gonna be using a fresh account in order to getting the same onboarding with you. So the country we just let it from Tunisia or any country that you want to share with. I agree with the politics and the privacy things and terms of service. After that guys, the first thing that you need to do, go for select project, get a new project. Here is gonna be Google Earth or your app Google Earth. So just rename your app with another one. Go for the create. After creation is gonna be loading a bit of time to getting your application ready. So after that, it's gonna be select this. So you need to select your application. So it's now viewing and getting the thing on me. So after that, go for OAuth, or I will go for Google Auth platform. It's gonna be this one. Press it. You don't have any configuration yet, just get started. Other than the app name, your app name, just change. Let's say we have a project called Anonino, let's say Anoni. So the email is gonna be the same one, the random email that I have here. Internal and external here guys in the audience section. The internal, which is only the organization emails on your project that can sign in. But in our case we need the external one because we're having any Google account can proceed the process. So the contact information is gonna be random email, random at gmail.com, let's say. Just put your email here guys and finish. Continue. I will create the application on this one. So after this you're gonna be having the matrix. You haven't configured any auth clients for this project. I'm gonna be create auth clients. In my case guys, it's gonna be web application. If you have Android, go for Android. If you have anything that is related, go for that. I will get web application. I just let web application, or you can as I recommend here guys is gonna be using your project name. So your project name as the name one, and it is gonna be focusing on authorized redirect URL. So the redirect URL, which is you're gonna be testing in your local the .env file in your project. So it's gonna be adding all the links with the local host one to get the links here. Let's say like you call host 500, let's say, or the API callback. So after that, you're gonna be all good to deliver with. Before that, just type http // is gonna be valid website here. So it's another one guys. It's based on your local environment, your port and so on. After that, just create. It's gonna be having I have project, I have an error. The request failed because one of it is invalid. It's about the redirect one. It's most okay. I will bring something like this already used. It's localhost 300 of Google callback. I will here create my application. It's gonna be created. Press OK. And here guys, if you want to set up in the .env, all what you need to do, which is the client sector, you can copy from here, and your client ID. You can use it, you can have it, and you will have all the redirection links here. If you have a hosted application, just add URL from here and add your application backend endpoints and callback on these redirect URLs. I hope you like the video. This is the last step. So you're gonna be getting your client ID, your second client, and the redirect URL based on your project name, project URL, if it is hosted, and so on. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. Peace.